Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can save photos on Pinterest. So firstly, open up your Pinterest. Now choose the photo that you want to save. Now there are multiple ways how you can actually save a photo. The first way is just simply hold on the photo and a pop-up will appear in which you will have 4 or 5 options, from which are either hide this pin or send it to anyone, or you can do a visual search on this image, or you can just simply send on WhatsApp. Now you can use these features and send this photo to someone, and then the photo will automatically be saved in your phone. So that was the first way how you can save a Pinterest photo. Now the other way is just simply screenshot the photo. So that was the second method. And third method is you can just simply click on the three dots at the top right corner, and there you will find download image. Just simply click on that. And then it will ask you for a permission. Just simply press OK and allow the access to your gallery and device. And now if you go back to your gallery, you will find that this image has been saved in your gallery. As you can see, this image has been saved in my gallery. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.